Hello there, Habibi here. In this video I will limit the length or the count of the digits. When we press the buttons, it should only accept 6 digits, no more than 6 digits. To do it, we need to do so we need to count the length of the user text variable. Here inside this function I'm going to add this line debug.log. I type the length is, then I will use this variable user text dot length. Now I'm going to run the game. Check out the console window. I will press this number 4. The length is 1. 5. The length is 2. Now we are able to count how much digits we have entered in this keypad, in this passcode keypad. Okay, after counting the length of the string, here I'm going to add an if statement. If user text.length equals to 6, if the length is 6, then I will then if the length is 6, then I will show this message in the debug window, the console window. No, I will show this text. The passcode is correct or incorrect. Okay, just like this for now. And then I'm going to add public string variable. Public string, I will name it correct passcode. The correct passcode, for example, I will type 789456. Then in this if statement we will check if user text.length equals to 6, then we check. If user text equals to correct passcode, then show this message. The passcode is correct. The passcode is incorrect or wrong. Just say wrong passcode. To make it better than this, I will change it this way. User text.length is less or equal to 6, then do this. Only less than 6, then do that. Else, if the length is more than 6 or equals to 6, it should do nothing. Okay, this I will try to run the game. Okay guys, I'm going to type 1 2 3 oh, hang on, let me go back here. Here we need to add another if statement. If your text, the text length, no, we need to make it this way, else, and then we move this if and else statement, we move it here. Okay, this one is the correct one. Okay, I will type 1 4 7 2 5 8. Oh, wrong passcode. Okay, I need to change it. Guys, let me make it better, guys. I move these 2 lines back here, and then if your text is less than let me change it this way. If the text is more or equals to 6, or just equals, yeah, and I move it here without else statement. If user text dot length is 6, then here else if here I will add else if statement. If it is more than 6, it should reset the text input, guys. Here I will set the user text to be empty string, and then display the text. Okay, let me go back and try it again. Here we go. I'm going to 9 6 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5. One more. If I press one more button, it should check the passcode is correct or not. I type 8. It is wrong passcode. And then I will try to click another button, and it will reset the text input, the passcode. It will set it to empty string. Here, let me click this button. Now it is empty. Then I will try to type the correct passcode. The correct passcode is, you can see the correct passcode here in this object. Passcode input 78945 I type 78945. Take a look at here, the console window. I type 6. The passcode is correct. Okay, and the final thing that I'm going to show it to you here, instead of showing this debug.log I will also show the text on the keypad display. I will set the text to be correct like this, and if the passcode is wrong, okay, I will type randomly wrong. And if I type the correct passcode 789456, this text appears correct. Okay, I think that's all for this tutorial, and later we can do anything here inside this block. If the passcode is correct, then we do something here. For example, open the door, something like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time on my next tutorial. Bye bye.